Pets bring us joy and comfort, but they also come with their own set of challenges. If you're thinking about bringing a new pet into your home soon, we have tips on how to pet-proof your house.
Rachel Zappernick, an interior home expert at Angi, is here to talk to us about how to pet-proof your home for your new furry friend.
When you bring a new pet into your home, you're going to want to think of new storage solutions to make sure that you have space for all of their supplies. That could include a designated area to store all of their toys, or if the pet is a dog, you may want to install a hook by the front door for easy access to a leash. For kibble and treats, consider buying airtight containers. That can keep the food fresher for longer, it'll keep pests at bay, and it will prevent the unwanted smells from your home.
Before you bring a new pet into your home, take a look around and make sure your home is safe. Hide or dispose of anything that may be harmful to pets, like laundry detergent, cords, medications, or toxic plants or foods. Also, try to protect breakable items by putting them away in cabinets or in places that will be harder to knock over and break.
You'll also need to pet-proof your outdoor area, whether that's your yard, a patio, or a pool area. If you don't already have a fence, talk to a pro about installing one as soon as possible. If you do have a fence, look for any gaps where your pet could escape from the current fencing area. If you have a pool or a pond, consider covering it, or you may need to supervise your pet when you bring them outside.
No matter what kind of floors you have, you can keep your home clean by coming up with the regular cleaning system that works for you and your pet. Pet hair can be one of the biggest culprits, so consider setting up an automatic vacuum that will clean your floors once a day. You can also add mats near your doors or litter boxes to prevent your pets from tracking dirt or litter around your home.
Just like other members of your family, your pet is going to bring more mess into your home, so start thinking about ways to make it easier to clean and to maintain the home. One way, for example, would be to switch to luxury vinyl flooring. These floors are scratch resistant, they're long lasting, and they're super easy to maintain. If you're looking into a dog or a cat door, think about ways to make it so that pests can't get in as easily. You might look into opaque flaps that keep the light out, or look into different sealing solutions to try to keep the door as airtight as possible.
Do you have questions about your home projects? Tweet them using the hashtag AskingAngie, and you may get some tips in an upcoming segment.